Hi, I'm DeWitt.
I'm Debbie.
Welcome to Shelly's Nest.
Today we're going to talk to you about why we chose to install a steering stabilizer on our RV.
Yep. So steering stabilizers are meant to help with doing the drives so you don't get worn out. Helps the vehicle track straight. And at first I didn't really think I needed it, but after doing several trips I realized I was doing constant adjustments on the steering wheel even to go straight. So doing some research, I saw that there's a bunch of different options, and one that stood out to me was the Safety Plus. They all had great reviews. Many of them had lifetime warranties or limited lifetime warranties. But for a similar cost, I saw that Safety Plus would also do factory install, and they were near us, so we could get over to them in a short period of time.
Yeah, which was nice because they let us boondock there in the parking lot, so we could drive the night before our appointment, get there, socialize with the other RVers there, and then we were ready to go when they knocked on our door for our appointment. It was great. Here we are, boondocking at Safety Plus. We have an appointment in the morning to get our steering stabilizer installed, and then we're looking forward to seeing what a difference that will make on our trip.
Yeah. So it might be interesting to know what the experience was. So for us, when we went for our appointment, it was 10 o'clock in the morning. The previous appointment finished up early, so since we were there and waiting, we got to start our appointment early as well. Actually, we pulled into the bay, onto some ramps. He mounted the stabilizer bar, and then we went out on the highway, did a couple loops to get it fine-tuned, and we were back in about an hour. Mm-hmm. And that was it. Signed up some paperwork, and we were finished and out on the road. And the difference was night and day. So I'm very happy that we ended up putting a steering stabilizer, and so far I'm very happy with the Safety Plus selection.
Yeah, because we drove another, 4 hours after we got the stabilizer put in, so
yeah,
you had a good amount of time to test it.
Yeah, driving through construction and everything. It's definitely a much improved experience from before. All right, well, thanks for joining us. See you next time.